Hey everyone, I welcome you all in this tutorial, and today I will show you how you can clone a project from GitHub to your Android Studio. So open your browser and just search for a repository. So it's my GitHub account and I have a couple of repositories here. So I randomly select one project from here, that is the Brain Trainer app, for example. And if you look at on the right side, there is a clone and download option. The most people actually do what does actually do that is they download the zip file and they manually open the project from the Android Studio. So it's a pretty much backdated way to do it. So Android Studio gives us a simple and easiest way to clone projects from GitHub. That is, what you need to do, that is click here and copy the whole link from here and open your Android Studio, and from here click on File and New Project from Version Control, and from here click on Git. Then this directory is where you want to save this project. I mean, what you're going to clone it, where you want to save your clone project. So I have selected a directory here. Now what you need to do, you need to pass the URL here, and to test whether your URL is working and it's correct, test it. And it shows me that connection successful, so we are ready to clone this project. So if you click on clone, and it will start cloning this project. Now it's asking you to open this project whether in this current window or you want to open a new window. So it's a pretty simple thing, that is, if I click on this window, so this running project will be closed and the new one will be started. So we want to do that. Okay, so we have successfully cloned our project. Now if you run this project, so that we can test that our project is running correctly and our build is ready. If we now see, yeah, it's working, the Brain Trainer app. Okay, so it's a simple app made by me when I was practicing Android app development and this kind of stuff. So okay, so that's how you can clone a project from GitHub, and follow this way because it's the smartest way you can follow to clone a project. And if you like this video, hit the like button and consider subscribing.